Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of charisma. Charisma isn't just for a chosen few, it's a skill you can develop and enhance over time. Stick with us as we unveil 7 powerful strategies to boost your charisma and captivate any audience. 1. Confidence. First up, confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. Believe in yourself, and others will too. Practice positive affirmations daily to build a strong sense of self-assurance. 2. Authenticity. Authenticity is magnetic. Be genuine in your interactions, and don't be afraid to show vulnerability. People connect with realness, so embrace your quirks and imperfections. 3. Active listening. Charismatic individuals are great listeners. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, asking thoughtful questions, and showing empathy. Remember, it's not just about speaking, it's about truly understanding others. 4. Storytelling. Everyone loves a good story. Develop your storytelling skills to engage and inspire others. Share personal anecdotes, use vivid imagery, and convey emotions to leave a lasting impression. 5. Humor. Laughter is the universal language of charisma. Inject humor into your interactions to lighten the mood and build rapport. Just be mindful of your audience and avoid offensive jokes. 6. Charismatic body language. Nonverbal cues speak volumes. Maintain open body language, smile often, and use expressive gestures to convey your message. Remember, your body language should exude confidence and warmth. And there you have it. By implementing these 7 strategies into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to becoming a charismatic powerhouse. Remember, charisma isn't about being someone else, it's about being the best version of yourself. Comment the word Chad if you want to be an actual Chad and if you will buy the program that will make you a Chad. That is it. Subscribe to get successful, strong, smart, sharp and skilled, and to win forever.